Halo semua, a brief history of Lampung Tubing Dance culture Lampung. A brief history of Lampung Province. Lampung Province was born on March 18, 1964 with the announcement of Government Regulation Number 31,964, which later became Law Number 14 of 1964. Before that, Lampung Province was a residency that was part of South Sumatra Province. Although Lampung Province before March 18, 1964 was administratively still part of South Sumatra Province. This area, long before Indonesia's independence, had indeed some animals, potential, and its own culture, colors, and courts add to the cultural heritage of this beloved archipelago. Therefore, during the VOC era, the Lampung area was not free from the target of Dutch colonialism. Tubing culture of Lampung Province. There are two types of Lampung march, namely Tubing and Sekura. Tubing developed in the South Lampung area, Kulipan, Chanti, and Pesugihan. Meanwhile, Sekura are found in the West Lampung area, Belalau, Balik Bukit, Batu Berak, Sukau, Kenali, and Liwa. These two types of march are often used to enliven events such as traditional Sekuraan parties, Tubing dance drama performance, or at March Paradise. Next, Sekura is generally performed in a march then at the traditional Sekura or Sekuraan party, which is held at the beginning of the month of Sawal. This party is a Bible party which is held as an expression of gratitude, joy, and reflection on attitudes and behavior. Next, what is Tubing? Okay, in the march dance, Sekura are divided into separate characters according to their characterization, namely Child Sekura, Tuha Sekura, Christ Sekura, Disabled Sekura, Gian Sekura, and Animal Sekura. However, of the 6 types of characterization, they can generally be categorized to types. The first type is called Sekura Kecah, which means twin Sekura. The Sekura is often also called Sekura Betik and Sekura Kamak. As the name suggests, Sekura Kecah were clean and needs custom. Sekura Kecah is specifically applied by Mekhanai. The Sekura function as an enlivener and enliven the participants. They go around the pakon and meet the girl they love. Apart from that, the Sekura also function as a bodyguard from relatives who watch the masquerade performance. And next, Tubing dance example. They carry symbolic heirloom ribbons as a symbol of protecting the girls or muli batin who watch the masquerade veil to avoid the evil Sekura Kamak. They also show luxury and material wealth which can be seen from the sauce they wear. Symbolically, the many sounds mean that Sekura is a good Mekhanai, Tubing dance of Lampung Province. Meanwhile, the second Sekura is called Sekura Kamak, which means dirty Sekura or evil Sekura. Their clothing worn is not only everyday clothing used in working on the garden, but can also be made from all kinds of plants tied to the body. Sekura Kamak is not only used by Mekhanai, but can also be performed by married men. They functions as entertainer is in this series. Sakura. There are two general hypotheses explaining the origin of the entry of Sakura into this area. First, it is said to have existed since the enemy's Chinese era. Second, it is estimated to be around the 16th century, along with the development of Islamic teaching in West Lampung. In both hypotheses, Sakura was used on the battlefield to cover her face. In addition to making it difficult for the enemy to recognize the person behind the mask, the warring parties did not hesitate to finish off their opponents. Preservers culture. In general, Sakura are divided into two, namely Sakura Kamak and Sakura Batik or Helau. Sakura Kamak represent the best character of humans. Generally, they wear stoles, scarves, or other accessories such as sunglasses, belts, wigs, and weapons made of wood. There are also a group of Sakura who go around the village, playing tambourines together and to get the desired sound effect. Okay, next conclusion of Lampung Tubing dance. Over time and with the development of the era, there have been more variants of the names of Sakura based on their functions. For example, Sakura Cakak Buah, Sakura Bekara, Sakura Jalang, and Sakura Nengah. In tubing is a typical tradition in the coastal areas of South Lampung Regency. Okay, tubing is not like Sakura and West Lampung, which is celebrated together every 8th. The Chanti and Kulipan areas are two areas that identical to the tubing tradition. Okay, tubing is better known as a symbol of resistance by Raden Intan, a Lampung hero against the and Dutch colonialists. For the documentation. Okay, and thank you friends for watching. Hope it is useful and sorry if there are still many errors when conveying, and I wish you always happy soon and see you again and see you next time. Thank you.